Hello, this is Jackie with J&M Reviews, and today I am very excited to talk about this sample provided by ARU. Thank you, ARU, for the toilet brush, and it is disposable and aromatherapy. So I would like to start by saying that this sticker here, you're going to put it on the wall, like the arrow facing up, and you're going to leave it there for 12 hours, and it's going to connect like this to the wall. So this connects to the wall. Here it has the citrus lemon fragrance. The fragrance comes in this package, so you just put it here, and that should be. This is the top. So this is how it looks inside. Okay, so the brush comes with three packages. This is how they look. They're blue, and this is going to attach to a wand, and it's going to create a blue. This is the one, the top of the one, and this is going to create like a blue cleaner inside the toilet where you can just brush it in, and once you finish you can throw it away in the garbage. Like I said, it's disposable. This is how you will do this, and it's just that it has here some instructions. It's pretty easy to use. I like it because it's very quick, and you have a lot of refills, and you just have to hang it on the wall. I hope you enjoy it as much as I do. Thank you for watching my video.